So let's fix the Termux update error. Let's get into this video. So as you can see that I'm also getting a headache update error. So let's fix this step by step. Step 1, type Termux change repo and hit enter. Step 2, now check all repositories, and on the mirror, you need to test one by one which one will work for you. So for this instance, I'm going to try the official repository and let's see if we get an error here. So you can see that error again. So type Termux change repo, command again, and this time change to another repo. This time I will choose Albatross mirror and tap on OK, and now you can see that Albatross mirror just fetched all the repository. So now it's fixed. Step 3, try checking the PKG update. It should be working fine. I think you got the solution, so hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more Termux channels like this. Check this video for learning more on Termux. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.